Ever wish your linter could actually understand your code's intent? Well, let's check this out.
Look, we all use linters. They're awesome for syntax, but they totally miss the why behind the code.
And that gap? That's where the nasty stuff lives. The bugs, the security holes, all the headaches.
So, that's where Quodeq steps in. It's kind of like an AI-powered compass for your code quality.
It actually grades your code on 6 key areas, all based on the official ISO standard.
All right, so how do you get it running? It's seriously just 3 simple commands to get started.
Once it's installed, the dashboard just pops up in your browser. Point it at any repo and go. And boom, in minutes, you get this amazing report with scores, grades, and even your code's history.
First thing you see is this big score, right out of 10, a super clear top-level grade.
But you can also drill down into every single issue, rated by severity and linked to standards.
Okay, but here's what's really cool. The philosophy behind it is all about being open source. It's got the MIT license. That basically means you're free to use it, change it, whatever.
So unlike those black box tools, this one's totally transparent, and no vendor lock-in, ever.
So how is it paid for? Well, Quodeq itself is free. You only pay for your AI API calls.
And get this, your data is just JSON files on your machine. You own it. End of story.
So Quodeq is that compass, always pointing you toward better code. The question is, which way are you headed?